Today on Tucker Time,
it's Bubble Gum Science. Chewing gum has been around since ancient times.
It goes as far back as the cavemen.
Many civilizations have their own versions of chewing gum.
This is a piece of chewing gum that's over 5,000 years old, dating back to Neolithic times. It was made from heated birch bark.
Cavemen would chew chewing gum to clean their teeth, but also as an adhesive for weapons and tools.
And no one likes chewing gum as much as this guy.
Hey! Dum-dum.
Yes?
You give me gum-gum.
I give you gum-gum?
You do dum-dum, you give me gum-gum.
Gee, okay. You know what? I have no gum-gum, sorry. And my name isn't Dum-Dum. My name's Larry.
No, your name Dum-Dum.
But it wasn't until 1928 when the world was introduced to bubblegum.
It all started at Fleer Gum Factory in Philadelphia.
It was their accountant, Walter Deemer, that perfected the recipe for a bubble-blowing gum. He named it Dubble Bubble, and the rest was history.
And that famous Double Bubble pink color? That's just because that was the only color that was at the factory that day. Double Bubble has never changed that pink color.
Now bubblegum is made extra stretchy for bubble-blowing power.
It's made from polymers like synthetic rubbers and polyvinyl alcohol.
Polyvinyl alcohol? That's the same stuff that's in glue.
Yep, that's right, glue.
And that's one of the key ingredients needed for slime. So we thought, why not make
Double Bubble Bubblegum Slime.
Let's get started. All you need is a bowl.
Put the bowl down. Put the bowls.
Measuring cups and spoons. Hot water. Bubblegum. Shaving cream or cornstarch. Glue. And liquid starch. First, you're going to take 10 pieces of bubblegum and pour your hot water to cover them. Let the bubblegum sit a few minutes until it's soft and squishy. You want it to be easy to mold with your fingers. Next, get a big square of shaving cream. And now you're going to mix the shaving cream in with the gum. Touch and fold the gum, working the shaving cream into it until it's extra soft.
It's going to start getting squishier.
Hold up, Tucker Time tip. If you find that your gum is too hard to work with, you can microwave it, but just a few seconds because it will be extremely hot.
Have an adult help and check the temperature.
Keep going with that shaving cream until it's all worked in. It will be super soft and stretchy. Woo!
Keep going. Oh my god, it's so fluffy!
It's fluffier than fluffy. Next, fold in 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now you're going to mix in about a half a cup of glue. Ooh, you could use a spoon, but why not just use your hand? Okay, now it's time for the starch. Liquid starch makes your slime stiff, so just do a drizzle at a time until it's not so sticky and it's a consistency you like.
How's it smell?
Like gum. Glue flows because it's made of long chains of molecules. These molecules easily pass through each other. This is what keeps glue flowing. When you add starch, a chemical reaction starts. The glue and the starch make a chemical bond. The molecules change position and cross-link. This changes the viscosity, making the molecules tangle together. Now, instead of flowing, the slime becomes thick and less sticky.
Oh, slippery.
The more starch you add, the thicker it gets.
See how less sticky it is? Starch is amazing. When it's not so sticky, you know it's done.
Morning, Dum Dum.
Me no dum dum, you dum dum. You bring me gum gum?
Yes, I did, fathead. Lots and lots of gum gum.
And now it's time for bubblegum bubbles.
Ooh.
Keep doing it. Oh, I thought it was gonna get bigger.
Let's see that in slow-mo. And the best kind of slime is farting slime.
Yeah, that's a fart.
Whoa!
Oh no!
Blowing bubbles in your strawberry milkshake be like,
I'm a pigeon.
Aw, look at him. He's living his best life.
on second thought. Can we get a little help here?
Keeps going, 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 keeps going. I hope you liked my video on bubblegum slime today. And remember, smash that like button, ring the bell, follow me on social media, and subscribe if you like my videos. Bye!
Thanks for watching Tucker Time. Don't go just yet. Stick around for the laughs.
Okay, you got something right here.
Can
you get it? Wait for me for a second.
It squirted everywhere.
Me? Your own hands?
No, I don't. Whoa.
I like this. It doesn't stick to the tablecloth.
Yeah, there's now that. Can you help me?
I said it didn't stick to the tablecloth, but
I hope you liked my video on bubblegum slime today. And remember,
how big can your bubble? How big can you blow a bubble to? I don't know. How do you want to say that?
Make new discoveries and learn every day.